If you have a baby, tell me, do you back your baby? I'm trying to back Jam Jam for the first time because I have a lot of work to do. And this young man, I refuse to let mommy work. I have a lot of tidying, I have ironing, I have cleaning to do. So I said, oh, this is nice. Look at me, he's looking like, what's the meaning of this? Hey, you. Do you back your baby? Do you back your child? Let me know. I'm going right ahead to do what I have to do. I have work to do, you guys. So how I like to arrange his clothes is that his inner wears, I keep them all together in the same part. Then his trousers, you know. See, Jam Jam is growing so big. Let me show you guys. He's wearing one of these already, like the red one, but you cannot see it because it's tied here. So I got these. These are like 3 to 6 months. You show all his clothes. I'm going to show you guys if I can. 3 to 6 months and above, you know. Sometimes he wears 6 months, like this short. Let me show you this short. This short says 6 months. You see that? And your baby boy wears it already. He's so big. Jam Jam is a big boy. Yeah. So I kept these inside one box. You know, I have a box where I keep some clothes that he's not wearing yet, and I have another box where I keep clothes that he has outgrown. So I just thought to myself today, let me just check, and I discovered that these are his size already. Like he's already rocking one. I would have just left it in the box and I'll just outgrow it without me knowing. I used to underrate this boy. He's quite big. So he got all cranky and stuff, so I dropped him. See, I have to go change, you guys. I'll be back. I'm wearing my husband's shirt and I'm wearing the bag and I'm wearing his boxers. I'll just change the top. I'll be back. Yeah. Come over here. Bam, man. Hey, yo, coco, yo, I wanna dance here. We can't go to show, hey, some man. Money is the root of all evil. Oh, we dance here. Oh. Small boy, say hi, guys. He woke up and he has been so cranky, so I have to back him again. Oh God, my phone. Guys, this is not easy. Hey, Chineke God, I'm tired, man. So my mom is awake. I just went to drop him with my mom. And then my brother-in-law gave me Indomie by force. See, I have not eaten noodles since I gave birth, which I gave birth 11 months 11, hey, 11 months, 11 weeks ago. I've had noodles once. Like, it's not sweet again in my mouth. My brother-in-law decided to make noodles and bring for me. I've not eaten today, really. Ah! You know that Coke does? That tingly, it does a lot to your body. It's so cool, like, it's so sweet. Child, if you take alcohol cold Coke, you will confess that. I mean, I give it up to Africa. Just Africa, just don't worry. I miss Opao. Enugu Opa. Yeah, go on. Not all those Indomie, rice. No, sometimes you need abacha. And not perform. Let me know that I've lost the spirit of this one. Like, I'm having a guest. Somebody called me as well. Like, I'm moving to my house. So I've not had a bath, nothing. My mommy smiles when I giggle. This is so cute. Look at this. It's very scattered, so I'm just filming and arranging. So what is this fine?
I don't know now.
My breasts don't follow.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Hey!
I swear, like, I don't like my boobs at all.
Pregnancy.
Yeah.
Jesus. No. You have to go and bring plan.
I swear, all I miss are my baby. It smells good, it was good.
I wish it was something, girl. We should recognize that shit right now. Come on, let's go downstairs now. I have to know that clothes.
On one condition, I'm filming, so you show and tell them I don't have to give me downstairs.
But you know I was coming, so what are you saying?
I've been watching now.
But you know I was coming, what are you saying? I like this blind shot.
Thanks.
Or is it blind? What is it?
What am I closing?
No worry.
Tell them that you're the one thinking, Jesus is so done.
That's what I'm asking you,
Hey, yeah, take permission.
Hi guys, how you guys doing? So I want to take her downstairs because that's what I do.
See guys, I cannot even complete this. Everywhere is just see. Everything is just messed up.
Yeah.
I'll be back. Maybe I'll finish this thing tomorrow. Just maybe tomorrow. Let me carry my phone. Guys, they brought food for me. After managing, you guys saw how I forced myself to eat that miserable food that I ate. After doing all of that, look at better food here looking at me. I don't have space in my tummy again. You thought that was all? That's not all. See, I feel like I'm going to add lots of just today, jam. Your mommy's eating too much. I have to clean under your mouth. See his face. Your mom is eating too much.
Is my face better than last time?
So use the mirror. I didn't even look very well. Which pre-birthday? My birthday is different. You guys, I have been eating. And you know, you eat, you now feel like a fool. I've eaten that, I feel like a fool. I don't chop like God. After the rice, I had cake and I had a glass of wine, and then I had peanuts. God, what's happening? So I guess that this thing It's dried now. Yes, it is. Man, Jeko. I'm not gonna spoil my oil. My oil! Jamming. He's been so cranky today. It's still a bit oily. I hope this thing doesn't spoil my coconut oil. Let me wipe it off a little. Go. Hey, it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Hey, it's your Woo! Guys, my birthday. I don't know, but this vlog might go up on my birthday. My birthday is on Friday, the 18th of September. See. What? It is not. Oh gosh. Ooh. See, Jamal's fridge is just for his breast milk alone. But I knew I was going to be upstairs like for a long time. So I decided to put water there and just now. Ooh.